When we arrested the sixth suspect, we recovered toy pistol from the suspect, two of the suspects. We were also able to recover 6 pocket phones from the suspect, indicating that at least each suspect had a pocket phone. And also, we were able to recover housebreaking instrument, as you can see from here. And these guys, they had the goggles, walikuwa na miwani na wamevaa mask, and they were dressed in black cloth.